Welcome back to the Thoms Tech Microsoft 365 Help Desk course. Today we're going to learn about Microsoft Office Safe Mode. First off, what is Microsoft Office Safe Mode? Microsoft Office Safe Mode is an instance of a Microsoft Office application that limits features and functionality. Some of the limitations that apply to Office Safe Mode are toolbar or command bar customizations are not loaded, third-party add-ins are not loaded, and Office templates cannot be saved. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how to launch a Microsoft Office application in Safe Mode. Let's say you're having an issue with Microsoft Excel. You might assume that you should just go ahead and perform an Office Online repair, but that can take a while and doesn't necessarily solve the root problem. To launch a Microsoft Office application in Safe Mode, you can hold down Control and then click the application you want to launch. I'm going to go ahead and select Yes, and I can now see my Excel application launched in Safe Mode, which is right there up at the top. If an Office application launches successfully in Safe Mode, you can most likely assume it's an issue with an Office add-in or extension. To stop using Office Safe Mode, exit and launch your Office application like normal. The next time you experience an issue with a Microsoft Office application, try using Safe Mode in your troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching and follow along for more tutorials.